Governor Andy Beshear is echoing his encouragement that the state's efforts of wearing face masks are working. 546 new positive cases reported yesterday, along with one new death. He compared the first 3 days of this week to the first 3 days of last week and found we have 104 fewer cases to start this week. That is in contrast to the type of exponential growth state experts feared when numbers rose in July. And Governor Beshear is laying out what must happen before lifting restrictions implemented about a week ago. Those restrictions included closing bars and reducing capacity at restaurants.
LEX 18's Claire Kopsky joins us live at the Capitol with more in this coronavirus coverage.
Claire and Chris, good morning. The governor says that it's still early, but that he's feeling more confident that Kentucky is reaching a plateau in COVID-19 cases. But that was not the case last week. Last week, he ordered restaurants to reduce capacity to 25% and bars to close for a period of 2 weeks. Now he says if this trajectory continues, his hope is that that can change. But he says he's considering new restrictions, especially for bars.
We hope certainly that we are on pace to increase our capacity at restaurants. One thing we're going to do before doing that is communicate with the White House that made the recommendations and monitors just like we do where we are and how much of an impact they think that we have. One, just a strictly enforced seat rule. One of the major issues is people, not seated like in a restaurant and thus coming together with folks they didn't come with. It's going to change the bar experience, but it's going to be necessary.
The governor says that he's also looking into a 10 p.m. curfew that would most likely apply to bars and restaurants. But he says ultimately it's up to everyone individually to wear face masks and to also social distance no matter the location that you're at. The governor said there's nothing set in stone yet, but to also be on the lookout that there could be more changes coming to Kentucky.